Students, we are already explained chapter number 3 code. Now we are continuing with the translation. In translation, I am writing here just the first and last word of the paragraph. Then translation. Okay, so it is little bit easy for you. The first translation. In translation, the first paragraph is Eka Pakshi. The last line of that paragraph is Bhavati. The last word of that paragraph is Bhavati. Eka Pakshi Bhavati. The translation of that paragraph is there is a bird. It goes here and there in the sky. The bird is flying here and there in the sky. It speaks again and again. The bird is speaking only one thing again and again. Which thing? That one is who is healthy. The lesson title Koru. Koru. Kava niroga bhavati. Kava niroga bhavati. Who is healthy. The first paragraph is over. Now in the second paragraph, the first word is Pakshi dwaram dwaram atati. Atati to travel. Pakshi dwaram dwaram nirashah bhavati. Two time dwaram, so I am writing here one time only. Pakshi dwaram nirashah bhavati. The translation is the bird is wanders door to door. The bird is wanders door to door. डोर से डोर, एक डोर से दूसरे डोर, एक दरवाजे से दूसरे दरवाजे पर ये पक्षी फिरता ही रहता है. It asks only one question. Which question? Who is healthy? It asks only one question. People ridicule it. उपहासन करोति. जो आदमी लोग है वो उसका उपहास करते, उसकी हंसी उड़ाते हैं. Nobody answer it. No one is giving the answer. Nobody answer it. The bird becomes disappointed. The bird becomes disappointed. जो bird है वो disappoint हो जाए, निराश हो जाता है. क्यों? Because it not go again the answer. उसको कोई answer नहीं मिल रहा है. That's why. Now the third paragraph. Sah vanam blank 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 means shrunoti. Shrunoti. Shrunoti to listen. Sah vanam वो वन में जाता है और उसके बाद जो होता है that one is here. It goes in the forest and sits on a tree. It goes in the forest. It goes. It, that means who going? Who goes over there? The bird. It goes in the forest and sits on a tree. There is a Vaidya Rishi Vagbhat. Who is that? There is a Vaidya Rishi Vagbhat under the tree. One Rishi Muni, that Rishi Muni name is Vagbhat, and that Rishi Muni is sitting under the tree. The bird again speaks. The bird again speaks. Who is healthy? Who is healthy? Then Vagbhat said, what he is giving the answer? That one is missing next paragraph. What here? Vagbhat hears it. The Rishi Muni Vagbhat Shrunoti. उन्होंने ये सुना. Vagbhat hears it. Next paragraph. This one is the most important paragraph. Why? Because this paragraph says that things that one is so much useful in our life. In our daily routine life also this paragraph is so much useful. Okay, how? You know that because in the explanation I am already explaining. Okay. In fourth paragraph, Sahavadati Bhavati iti. What the Rishi Muni said, Vagbhat said, that one is in this paragraph. Translation: it says balanced meal eater. Balanced meal eater, limited meal eater, and eater according to season. And eater according to season. मीन्स द पर्सन हु टेक्स बैलेंस्ड मील, जो खाना खाता है पर्सन वो बैलेंस में खाता है, जो आए वो ना के जाता है वो खाता ही जाता है, ऐसा नहीं है। जो बैलेंस मील होता है, अच्छी तरह से जो खाता है वो, देन द पर्सन हु टेक्स बैलेंस मील। सेकेंड वन, हु टेक्स मील इन प्रॉपर क्वांटिटी, हु टेक्स मील इन प्रॉपर क्वांटिटी, जो खाना है वो प्रॉपर क्वांटिटी में खाते हैं। ऐसा नहीं है कि 1 या 2 रोटी खा के खत्म हो जाता है, या हमें भूख है 5 रोटी की और सब्जी से बहुत अच्छी बनी है, बढ़िया बनी है, तो क्या करते हैं 8, 9, 10 रोटी खा जाएंगे, और सब्जी कम है, भूख 5-6 रोटी की है, और खाना कितना खाएंगे 1 या 2 रोटी, चलो नहीं खाना है। That is very dangerous to our health. We have to take a meal in proper quantity. Who takes meal in proper quantity and who takes meal according to the season. Who takes meal according to the season. जो सीजन है उस तरह से हमें मील यानी खाना खाना चाहिए. Remains healthy. This all came speaking by Rishi Bhagavath. Okay, again I explain this one again. Okay, translation. It says balanced villager, limited villager, and utter according to season. Means the person who takes balanced meal, who takes meal in proper quantity, and who takes meal according to the season remains healthy. These persons are so much healthy, those who are follow this. And the last paragraph, santushah pakshi dash 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 gacchati. Santusha, satisfied bird. The satisfied bird is going from here now. The translation of last paragraph is, the satisfied bird comes to the rishi. वो जो बर्ड है उसको आंसर मिल गया, उसके बाद वो सेटिस्फाइड हो जाता है, उसको संतुष्ट हो जाता है, संतोष हो जाता है कि ये आंसर सही है. Then the bird is comes to rishi. It bows to the rishi. वो ऋषि को bows यानी नमन करता है. Then it goes to its own place. वो अपनी जगह पे वापस चला जाता है. The bird is flying now. Again, the satisfied bird comes to the rishi. It goes to the rishi. Then it goes to its own place. Okay. This is whole translation of lesson number 3, chapter 3, Koru. Koru, that means who is healthy. Okay. Now we are continuing with the question answers. Now students, translation is over. Now the turn of question answers. Question 1. Answer the following questions in Sanskrit. You have to give the answer in Sanskrit only. The first question, Pakshi kim vadati. One word is there. Which word this bird is speaking? Pakshi kim vadati. The answer is Pakshi vadati koruk iti. Koruk. What is the meaning of koruk? Koruk, that means kaha nirogah bhavati. Who is diseaseless? कौन है जो एक निरोगी है, जिसको कोई भी रोग नहीं है? कोरुक का ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? अरुक. अरुक. ओके. पक्षी किम वदति? पक्षी वदति कोरुक इति. ओके. सेकंड वन, पक्षी वने कुत्र उपविशति. पक्षी वने कुत्र उपविशति. कहां पे बैठा है पक्षी? द आंसर इज पक्षी वने वृक्षे उपविशति. पक्षी वने वृक्षे उपविशति. ओके. द बर्ड इज सिटिंग ऑन द tree. Third one, वृक्षस्य अधः कः अस्ति? वृक्षस्य अधः, वृक्षस्य अधः, that means under. Who is sitting under the tree? वृक्षस्य अधः कः अस्ति? Who is sitting under the tree? The answer is वृक्षस्य अधः वैदर्शी वाग्भट्टः अस्ति. Who is वैदर्शी वाग्भट्टः अस्ति? वृक्षस्य अधः ऋषि वाग्भट्टः sitting under the tree. Okay. Fourth one, संतुष्टः पक्षी कुत्र आगच्छति? संतुष्टः पक्षी, satisfied bird, where the satisfied bird comes? Okay. The answer, संतुष्टः पक्षी ऋषि समीपम आगच्छति. कहाँ पे आता है? ऋषि मुनि जो है, वाग्भट्ट जी है, उनके पास आता है. संतुष्टः पक्षी ऋषि समीपम आगच्छति. Fourth. Now the fifth one, ऋषि किं वदति? The question is Koruk of Pakshi, bird. So that answer is Rishi Muni is giving the answer. So which answer? Rishi किं वदति? ऋषि क्या बोलते हैं? The answer is ऋषि वदति यह हितभुक मितभुक ऋतुभुक अस्ति सः आरुक भवति इति. ऋषि किं वदति? ऋषि वदति यः हितभुक मितभुक ऋतुभुक अस्ति सः आरुक भवति इति. Clear? What is the meaning of Hitabuka, Mitabuka and Rutubuka? These three words meaning I already explained you in explanation, in translation, both the way. Okay? So now we are continuing with the question number 6. पक्षी किं पृच्छति? पक्षी क्या पूछता है? यहाँ पर हर जगह पे है कि पक्षी वदति, but what the bird is asking? पक्षी किं पृच्छति? The answer is पक्षी एकम एव प्रश्न पृच्छति. The bird is asking only one question. पक्षी एकम एव प्रश्न पृच्छति. कोरु. The question is कोरु. Now what is the meaning of कोरु? I already told you. The meaning of कोरु is कः निरोगः भवति. This is also one type of question. Okay, what is the meaning of koru? The answer is, the meaning of koru is kaha nirogah bhavati. Okay, sixth question, pakshi kim pृच्छति? Answer, pakshi ekam eva prashna pृच्छति. koru kaha nirogah bhavati. Okay students, now the question answers are over, and in chapter number 3 koru, explanation, translation, question answers, all kind of things are over. Now we are continuing with the chapter number 4 in next session. Okay, thank you students.